So today we're installing a Phase 3 Performance 4.5-inch Catless race downpipe on this 2022 Supra. Easy stock besides mad intake. Let's see how it goes. Stock exhaust as well, no muffler. Paired with the Phase 3 race downpipe. Now we're transferring over all the sensors to the Catless downpipe. This is the stock downpipe. Okay, let's get off. He's under the knife right now. Stock downpipe is out. Catless going in. See how she sounds. 2022 Supra stock exhaust. Pásamela.
You hear flash in the light? Yeah, it looks flush. Downpipe's in, now it's just nice to connect it to the exhaust. Alright, got it. Fucking bitch. Where Manu at, bro?
So downpipe's installed, stock exhaust, first startup. Go.